Hi, welcome to 3.2 Naming Compounds. This video is going to be about ionic and ionic including transitions. Ionic compounds, obviously you're going to be given the formula. So it's a three-step process. You write the name of the element with a positive oxidation number, the thing that comes first in the formula. Second, you write the root of the name of the element with the negative oxidation number. And finally, add IDE to the root. Remember syllabication from English. You're going to have to know how to separate a word into its syllables. Ready? Moving on to remember that ionic includes those transition elements, groups 3 through 12. Also know that remember with a transition element, you're going to need a Roman numeral in the name. So the first 6 Roman numerals are all you're going to need. But the first name of an ionic compound that uses a transition has to have a Roman numeral. So let's look at several of these examples. This is BeO. Be is beryllium. O is oxygen, but when we name it, it's oxide. CaF2 is calcium. Fluoride. Notice that the subscript has nothing to do with the name. ZnI2 is zinc 2. Now, where did this 2 right here come from? It came from the subscript of the partner in the element, or the partner in the compound. Zn2 iodide. Finally, NaBr is sodium bromide. So let's do several examples together. Your first one is Na2S. So looking at Na2S, Na is your first element, S is your second element. So we want a first name, last name situation to fill in. Na is sodium, S is sulfur, but remember it's the root, sulf, and then you add IDE to the end. Your next example is MgCl2. So MgCl2, again, a first name for Mg, and Cl will be your last name. So first name and last name. Mg is magnesium. Cl is chlorine, but we want the root, chlor, and then we add IDE to the end, chloride. Finally, final example is AlF3. AlF3. AlF3 is your compound that you're given. You have a first name and a last name. The first part of the compound is Al. The last part is F. So Al is aluminum. F is fluorine, but you want the root, which is fluoride. All right, thanks for watching.